Hello my friends, look at this beautiful place. This is the Big Almaty Lake. Those who see it for the first time will be surprised. The actual size is small. Big Almaty Lake got its name after the gorge in which it's located, Almaty Canyon. The lake is 1.6 km long from 0.75 to 1 km wide, and its depth reaches 30 to 30 meters. The lake is located at an altitude of 2,500 meters above sea level and is surrounded by mountain peaks. The highest rock is called the Peak of the Soviets and reaches more than 4,000 meters. Like most of the lakes and reservoirs of Kazakhstan, Big Almaty Lake was formed as a result of an earthquake. About 2,000 years ago, a landslide came down the Big Almaty Peak, blocking the gorge and forming a natural dam. Since the water from the lake is used as a top water for Almaty residents, swimming in the lake is strictly prohibited, as well as having picnics on its territory. But this doesn't make the lake less popular. In addition, not far from the Big Almaty Lake there is an observatory, from where you can enjoy a beautiful view of the starry sky, with the fluctuating level of water in the lake. The color of the surface changes as well. Depending on the time of year, it can go from a pale green to a super blue color. This is the best reason to come here more than once. Since the lake is surrounded by mountains, the water temperature is usually low, and even in the summer it reaches only 10 to 12 degrees. Already in October the lake begins to freeze, and in winter it is completely covered with ice. Big Almaty Lake is a true masterpiece of nature. Probably when you see the photo you will think it's photoshopped, but only after visiting it you will understand that it's truly that beautiful. Now let's listen to Makpal's performance, and welcome to the Big Almaty Lake.